हाँ जी एंड वेलकम बैक। मेरे साथ एज यूजुअल बहराम काजी बैठा हुआ है और हम आपकी स्क्रीनों पे वापस आ गए हैं टू डिस्कस द फोर्थ एशेस टेस्ट ब्रो।
Yeah, the Boxing Day test, baby.
होपफुली ये पॉडकास्ट भी उतना ही छोटा होगा जितना टेस्ट मैच था।
I mean, look, first of all, I'd like to finally congratulate English fans.
बामी आमी
Yeah, they deserved it. They did not desert their team. वो end तक बेचारे
End
नारे
तक,
लगाते रहे
yes,
हैं, ठीक है, और they've been stiffed by their team in this Ashes series, not by bad cricket, by bad communication in front of the media. Yeah. The English team has basically gaslit their fans throughout.
Yeah.
ठीक है, so I'm really happy that they finally got something to celebrate. I know it's a bit of a dead rubber situation, but
चलो World Test Championship points. Yes, come on.
Yeah, of course, there's always that. England managed to win the Test match by 4 wickets within 2 days. Saadi, the series scoreline is now 3-1.
मतलब दूसरे दिन सुबह उठो तो मैच खत्म।
Yeah, मुक चुका था भाई. I was actually kind of hoping कि third day मैं देखूंगा, मगर वो नहीं नसीब हुआ.
नहीं नसीब।
Yeah, I couldn't really watch any of that because it didn't exist. बाकी England have finally won a Test match in Australia.
Finally, bro.
Yeah, they've won a Test in Australia or on Australian soil for the first time in 16 years.
Yeah.
15 years. Yeah. 2011
almost.
का start था ना. Yeah.
So
last time they won was in 2011 Jan.
15 साल 19 टेस्ट।
Yeah, first time in 19 Test matches. Now they've got one up on Pakistan once again.
Yeah. The total test match lasted for 142 overs.
Yeah, that's a bit diabolical, bro. Yeah. I mean, look, I know that all or most of the talk in this podcast is going to be about the pitch, but chalo.
Arcs कम ही है, pitch की ज़्यादा बात नहीं है।
एक ये भी एंगल है कि the Australians partied so hard during Christmas that the fact that this is the first time.
And surprisingly, the English didn't.
Yeah, this time they didn't. No Noosa this time, ठीक है. But no team has ever defeated Australia in a Test match in Australia's own backyard within 2 days.
Yes. First time.
Yes, the absolute first time. तो उसमें कुछ आप कह लो ऑस्ट्रेलिया की पार्टी भी होगी. They got absolutely leathered in the words of Rob Barron over the Christmas break. Lots of beer and ham in those bellies. ठीक है, और बाकी पिच ही कुछ ऐसी किस्म की थी यार कि
My God, the pitch, bro. मतलब उफ.
Yeah. अच्छा,
क्विज का कोई डेटा था bro.
Yeah, वो वरुण ने मुझे भेजा कि since the start of the ball tracking era, which was 2006, this has been the toughest pitch to bat on in a Test match in Australia. Yeah. There you have it. Yeah. और वो मतलब क्रिकविज का जो डेटा है, it only goes back to 2006, तो उससे पहले का हम बता नहीं सकते, but yeah, this was extremely tough work. It was a very, very grassy surface, 10 millimeters of grass, ठीक है,
और उसके बाद first day पे overcast conditions.
You add the overcast conditions on day 1 to that, seaming track through and through.
Yes.
Pace bowlers paradise.
Pace is pace.
Yeah, the conditions didn't ease either.
Not
so
at all.
this was in every sense Saadi a lottery pitch. ठीक है, वही situation है जो मुल्तान में हुई थी, but वो rank turner था.
अच्छा मैं इससे मुझे हमेशा एक सवाल याद आ जाता है. इस तरह की पिच पे what do you think is the best approach for a batter to make?
Bass ball. Yes sir.
जहाँ भी रैंक टर्नर आ जाए या ग्रासी पिच आ जाए, इस तरह की अनप्लेएबल वाली, यू जस्ट गो फॉर इट. एक ना एक बॉल पे आपका नाम लिखा हुआ है, यू स्कोर द मैक्सिमम अमाउंट ऑफ रन्स यू कैन स्कोर.
There is a misconception that bass ball will only be fruitful on flat decks.
फ्लैट टेक्स पे तो होगी ना,
क्योंकि they'll chase anything down, ठीक है, if they are chasing, right? However, I've always said this, not today, ये मैं कई दफा बात कर चुका हूँ, बल्कि when we got those dust bowls in the Pakistan West Indies series, we even said then that you might as well play positively then.
You should.
Yeah. When one of the balls will have your name written on it, which is the common phrase, ठीक है, you have to go out there and attack. And England did that. And they looked funny doing it. ठीक है, it was comical at times, but it worked because bass ball in theory is suited to these kind of conditions. ठीक है, lottery pitch का मतलब है कि even playing field हो गई है. It's 50-50 now. You're not giving yourself any advantage.
जहाँ पे विल जैक्स और नेथन लायन एक तरह का काम कर सकते हैं.
Yeah.
On a ranked turner.
बिल्कुल.
जहाँ पे best of the best bowlers and the worst of the worst pace bowlers के लिए एक ही पिच हो जाती है.
वही तो बात है सारी. We always talk about this in during ranked turners or when we're covering those sort of test matches कि your best spinner is not that better than your part-timer now, because you just have to land it in a area, not in a specific area. You don't have to hit a coin, you don't have to hit a box, you have to just land the ball in different areas और कुछ ना कुछ pitch ही आपको कर दे देगी. Similarly over here, you don't need to be an elite seam bowler to get something out of that crack. ठीक है, और पता है, my head has been done over a few times during this entire discourse about the pitch.
सबसे
पहले तो यार 20 wickets fell on day one. And no one's saying this wasn't a terrible pitch. ये नहीं होना चाहिए. A test match should last way more than 142 overs. 20 wickets fell on day one.
5 दिन नहीं तो 4 दिन तो जाना चाहिए टेस्ट मैच है
यार चलो 3 दिन ही सही.
पूरे 3 दिन ही खेल लो.
देखो, if the surface had eased for batting, and you know batting got easier in the third and fourth innings, then I wouldn't have had any issue. Because then you get a little bit of something for every kind of cricketer apart from spinners, I suppose. But what I don't like is one-dimensional tracks.
And this was one-dimensional as it can get.
Yeah, rank turner में क्या होता है? You know if the ball is dragging on day one, it's only going to get progressively worse for batting. आसान नहीं होनी batting के लिए वहाँ से pitch, ठीक है? You can curate good spin-friendly tracks as well. We saw some recent ones in Pakistan.
पाकिस्तान वाली बड़ी अच्छी थी ये पिंडी और लाहौर वाली.
The South Africa series, I thought the pitches were great. You had something in it for the spinners throughout, but it never got too violent. ठीक है, शायद fourth innings से violent हो गया था, but throughout, like, you know, batting got difficult, but it wasn't all too hard.
Fourth innings में होनी भी चाहिए मेरे लिहाज से.
You had to be a good spinner to extract something out of the surface.
Simon Harmer.
Yes, absolutely. And there was a bit of reverse on offer, and there were periods that were good for batting.
वो
ठीक है.
Buffett pitch थी वो.
What is bad is when the surface is one-dimensional, and there are 3 kinds of surfaces which can be one-dimensional. A proper dust bowl, rank turner type, ठीक है. The ball is ragging from day one, raging turn.
एक
ये वाली pitch कि इतना घास है कि you don't need to do much as a bowler, as a seam bowler.
और तीसरी flat.
तीसरी road. I'd still take the first 2 over the road because at least you get a result. At least it's exciting. The chaos is exciting.
Unless you're Pakistan, you could falter out on a road as well.
Yeah, वो तो रावलपिंडी में हारे थे ना when Stokesy dangled the carrot and the good days of baseball.
मुल्तान.
Yes.
Harry Brook जो 800 पता नहीं
वो
कितने
तो
मारे
उसने खैर उन लोगों ने बेचारों ने अब्रार को हॉस्पिटल ही भेज दिया था यार. मतलब इतना मारा था. 840 something. I can't remember the exact scoreline. So I'd still take, you know, the raging turners and these seamer friendly tracks, घासी वाले, extremely grassy tracks over the roads. But all 3 are bad.
Yeah.
Let's come to that consensus that these one-dimensional tracks जहाँ पे एक ही facet game का you know activate हुआ हो, either it's the spinners, the seamers or the batters, that's not good for cricket. It's not good for our sport.
This pitch has been termed unsatisfactory. एक demerit point भी मिल गया.
बनता था. So for those of you who don't know, there are 4 ratings. Very good, satisfactory, unsatisfactory and poor. And it had to be one of the bottom 2. Unsatisfactory और poor. तो शुक्र है कि वहां पे demerit point मिला है.
एक मिला है.
Deserve करती थी ये pitch, ठीक है? Because it does take the sting out of the competition to a certain extent. But the क्या कहते हैं meltdown in the media after day one, I was pretty upset at that. Upset नहीं, I was annoyed. ठीक है, क्योंकि अभी एक दिन हुआ, ठीक है, 20 विकेटें गिर गई है. You don't know what's going to happen on day 2. Reserve your comments till the end of the test match. If it turns out to be a lottery pitch, which it did, फिर जो मर्जी बोलना है बोलो. But यहाँ पे तो pitch को भी unsatisfactory rating मिल गई है. And the MCC curator, MCC कह दिया मैंने, the MCG curator. MCG curator Matt Page, his interview was the headlining news on Cricinfo. Front and center, that's the first thing you see.
He was in a state of shock.
All these people come out and say, and Stokes included, he says this as well, yo, if this happened somewhere else, then eyes would be rolling. This is hypocrisy. Where is the hypocrisy? The pitch is the only thing people are talking about. ये तो और ठीक कर रहे हैं.
और वो curator भी state of shock.
हाँ, उसको भी वैसे थोड़ा throw under the bus ही कर दी है. I have a question for you. Do you think that when the pitch becomes the focal point of conversation, the players get a free pass? It's a difficult question.
It depends on the pitch as well. ना इस तरह की pitch पे, I think players do deserve a free pass.
जहाँ पे
bro,
a 40 is worth 150.
जिस तरह हाँ, exactly.
No batter got to 50.
Exactly. एक बैटर भी अगर 150 नहीं कर रहा,
150 नहीं,
50 नहीं कर,
ये switch हो गए roles.
एक भी बैटर 150 नहीं कर रहा और आपकी 2 दिन के अंदर टेस्ट मैच खत्म हो रहा है 142 ओवर्स का, जहां पे उससे एक और मसला ये हुआ कि क्रिकेट ऑस्ट्रेलिया has suffered a massive loss, $10 million.
That's another thing. This series has featured 2 two-day tests. ठीक है, and aside from the fact that, you know, fans are robbed because it was a full house on day 3 as well. Record crowds at the MCG.
Yes, record crowds.
There have never been more people watching a test match at the MCG. I'm not sure limited overs में है कि नहीं record crowd, but test match में तो definitely है. Record crowds वाली चीज़ अलग है, but you want the game to go on for longer from a broadcast perspective. And Australia or Cricket Australia has lost what, 10 million Australian dollars?
10 million Australian dollars
in this test match.
हाँ, देखो 4 टेस्ट मैच हुए हैं, टोटल मैच टाइम 13 दिनों का है.
यार ये कम है
बहुत.
और these are 2 very distinct or different kinds of 2-day test match pitches. Perth was a bouncy track. It was quick and it was fast bowlers paradise. वो pace is pace यार वाला track.
अब इंग्लैंड रू कर रही होगी ना कि हम किस तरह नहीं जीते.
Had they won the Perth Test, which they should have won,
अभी कितना मजा आ रहा होता है एशेस का.
we would have been popping. कि यार ये किसी तरह सिडनी तक पहुंचाओ, हम cover करना चाहते हैं. यहाँ पे तो हमें जबरदस्ती करने पड़ रहे.
Oh my God, सिडनी भी आना है अभी.
It's not even fun anymore. Although this Test match was chaotically fun.
It was chaos central.
It's been a stupid Ashes series, let's be real. But at Perth, a lot of those batters threw their wickets away.
Yeah.
England were what, 80 for 1 at lunch?
उसके बाद
उड़ गए वो. They were in pole position to win that Test match and they let that one go and 2-2 होता had they won at Perth. ठीक है. और पता है
वो भी नहीं हम कुछ कह सकते कि उसके बाद किस तरह चलती सीरीज.
और एक और चीज पता है क्या इंपॉर्टेंट है यहाँ पे. We both agree that on a lottery pitch, baseball works. अब वो तो in theory rank turner पे भी काम करनी चाहिए. It's just that they're not equipped to play spin. So that's a different story altogether. They aren't skillful enough to pull it off on a rank turner. But over here,
but the approach is right.
The approach was correct. You do baseball in this sort of circumstance. You swing for the hills, or you live by that same sword, or die by that.
उधर लग रही हैं.
लगे कतरियां. You chance your arm because one of those deliveries has your name written on it. However, one thing that people aren't considering over here, or maybe not a lot of people are, that the ethos of baseball also is in tune with chaos. They needed a chaotic test to win one over here. इसलिए तो कह रहा हूँ Perth was their best chance. And then they dropped plenty of catches after that. 8 catches across 2 test matches. वो तो हम भूल ही गए हैं या भूल ही जाते हैं.
भूल जाना भी चाहिए.
भूल ही जाना चाहिए वो. ठीक है. और it's interesting how the MCG 5 to 6 years ago was a flat deck.
Flat deck.
Yeah, वो अलग conversation थी तब कि यार ये तो मतलब रिजल्ट ही यहाँ पे आ जाता है मगर मुश्किलों से आता है. अब देखो 180 डिग्री टर्न हो गया. ठीक है. एंड आई फील सॉरी फॉर मैट पेज बिकॉज अल्टीमेटली उसकी चॉइस थी कि यार 12 मिलीमीटर का ग्रास छोड़ना है, 10 मिलीमीटर्स और 8 मिलीमीटर्स. ही हैड टू पिक लाइक 8 or 9. ही वेंट विद 10. एंड एट दिस पॉइंट यू डिडंट नीड टू डू मच एज अ फास्ट बॉलर और अ सीम बॉलर. तो वो अब हो गया हाउलर. ऑस्ट्रेलिया needed the pitch to do just enough. They created a pitch जिसमें England came into the game. That's on them.
Came into the game क्या उनके हाथ में आपने रख के दे दिया.
Do you think they asked for this?
I'm not too sure.
I think it might have been a mistake, bro. But then again, I don't want to like throw Matt Page under the bus more than he already has been.
I don't know. लेकिन अगर मैं सोचूं ना, ऑस्ट्रेलिया ने नहीं बोला होगा ऐसे करो.
मुझे भी नहीं लगता क्योंकि they want the test match to go on for a bit. They don't want to lose money.
And they want to win the test match as well.
They want the record crowds to come in on day 3 and day 4 as well.
और वो क्यों इंग्लैंड को गेम में लेके आएंगे यार? That's stupidity.
इंडिया ये गलती करता आ रहा है रैंक के साथ. ठीक है. कोलकाता was weird. कोलकाता में तो बाउंस भी अनइवन था. फास्ट बॉलर्स में भी बुमराह टुक अ फाइफर. यानसन एक्टिवेट हो गया था तुम्हें अगर याद हो. एंड देन ऑफ कोर्स देयर वाज यू नो अ लॉट ऑफ juice in that surface for the spinners. But India did this versus New Zealand in the last 2 test matches. So यार why would you want to create a lottery pitch when you bring the opposition team into the game who are clearly weaker than you? You have such a good bowling attack.
Play to your strengths.
Exactly. इतना अच्छा bowling attack है कि if it's just doing a bit, your bowlers will capitalize. England might flunk. होना मोस्ट प्रॉब्ली यही था. और पाकिस्तान मेड दिस मिस्टेक वर्सेस द वेस्ट इंडीज.
यस.
10 बॉल्स बनाकर एक टेस्ट मैच फेंक दिया.
वॉरिकन आ गया गेम में.
और अच्छा इंटरेस्टिंगली इनफ you know, I know that day 1 had overcast conditions, so the toss is slightly important. But both teams got bowled out on day 1. So the toss wasn't as relevant. वो आप कह सकते हो कि England were probably better off chasing. So in that regard, Stokesy made the right call and it favored England. But I don't think
Smith ने भी यही करना.
Smith said that. Smudger said that he would have bowled first anyway. And that makes sense versus England as well. But what I'm trying to say is कि लॉटरी पिच के ऊपर फिर टॉस भी थोड़ा irrelevant हो जाता है. ठीक है. If it is a spin bowling track, which is progressively going to get
थोड़ा
worse.
irrelevant जरूर होता है लेकिन अगर मैं इंग्लैंड हूँ तो I would be more comfortable chasing.
Yeah.
तो वो फिर एडवांटेज भी आ जाता है उसका.
वही तो मैं कह रहा हूँ कि एक तो दे आर अ गुड चेसिंग साइड, दूसरा दे आर अ गुड साइड दैट थ्राइव्स इन chaotic conditions.
बट देन अगेन वो irrelevant तो ना हुआ ना उनके लिए.
हाँ चलो कह लो relevant कह लो. प्लस ओवरकास्ट कंडीशन से पहली बॉलिंग करनी थी. माय ओनली पॉइंट वाज कि बोथ टीम्स गॉट बोल्ड आउट ऑन डे 1 एंड ऑस्ट्रेलिया हैड द लीड. दे हैड अ 42 run lead. The scores in this test match go 152, 110, 132, 178 for 6. 200 wasn't scored. Not a single batter caught 50.
Yes sir.
This is not good for cricket. इसमें कोई शक व शुबा की वो गुंजाइश ही नहीं. बट मुझे तब इस चीज पे चढ़ती है कि एक दिन गुजरता है यहाँ पे तो बोरिया के आर्टिकल आ जाते हैं. Where is the hypocrisy, man? If you're going to quote the BBC, have you been watching the news at all? Has this already not been covered कि there is hypocrisy over there? ठीक है. Cricket media के अंदर and in or within the entire cricketing fraternity, who hasn't called out the pitch?
Everyone has.
Everyone has only talked about the pitch. So where is the hypocrisy? मुझे ये अजीब किस्म का ना victimhood पसंद नहीं है.
बस वो एक पॉइंट मिल जाता है ना. इस तरह की चीज़ है ना आफ्टर द टेस्ट मैच अगर ना हो रही हो ना तब करना होता है, मैच के बीच में
और
आप क्या कर रहे हो?
Had this pitch gotten a satisfactory rating, then I would be like, yeah, you're right. ये हुई है ये hypocrisy. This has to be a part of or one of the bottom 2 ratings. Unsatisfactory poor, but it got an unsatisfactory rating. It got a demerit point. वो चीजें तो हो गई, तो फिर मुझे तो कोई hypocrisy नजर नहीं आ रही यहाँ पे. बेचारा Matt Page तो how many of you even knew that the MCG curator's name is Matt Page?
I didn't.
The most famous curator we knew from Australia was Nathan Lyon.
Yep.
ठीक है? I mean, it's just bonkers. This was the only thing that really riled me up during the test match. क्योंकि फिर वो लोग कहते हैं, oh, you were saying it's a good pitch. Where did I ever say it's a good pitch? All I said was कि if it flattens, we're good. कोई मसला नहीं.
It did not.
And let's be real, maybe it wasn't a 20-wicket day. मतलब होना जो चाहिए था. Maybe 17, 16.
I don't know, bro.
Yeah.
मतलब
I mean, Cam Green run out होता है.
हाँ,
You know, there are those
वो
moments.
out ही हो जाना था उसमें.
Alex Carey strangled down the leg side.
Still though.
Yeah.
Still though.
No,
Wicket to wicket है.
It was extremely tough for batters to apply their craft over there. वो तो Crickwiz ने आपको बता ही दिया.
Yeah.
Toughest surface to bat on in Australia since the start of the ball tracking era in 2006. But I still feel कि Australia did some things really wrong.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think the team was fine. Squad selection ठीक थी.
हाँ, so 4-prong pace attack के साथ गए वो. Nathan Lyon obviously out of the ashes.
Yeah.
Hammy gone. Cummins is out of the ashes
Yep,
as well.
both of those guys are gone. बात करेंगे उनके ऊपर भी.
Michael Neser came back in.
Neser came back in.
And Jai Richardson after a 4-year break.
Yeah, he hadn't played Test cricket in 4 years. Jai Richardson, his career has also been plagued by injuries. I can't make any assessments on him in this Test match because he bowled 9.2 overs in total. तो ये मैंने literally Zaid को बोला है पॉडकास्ट से पहले कि चेक तो कर जाए ने ओवर कितने कराए क्योंकि मैंने I've barely seen him bowl, right?
9.2 overs.
अब मैं क्या ही बंदे पे बात करूं if he's bowled 9.2 overs, right? So चलो अगर Jai Richardson I feel like is a better prospect than Brendan Doggett. Hey, he's at least got it.
I mean, Richardson का बस ये है कि वो if he holds up, he holds up.
If his body holds up, right?
Baki Smith came back in for Josh Inglis.
Steven Smith was also Steve Smith
Steve Smith
was also captaining this Test match, and then Khwaja was at 5, which was odd.
मैं ओपन करवाता.
Might as well move
मैं
head
वापस,
back at 5. Head ने भी बोला कि यार for this series I'm opening and then we'll have to rejig a few things.
Why for this series though? Take it as a test match ना, मतलब emergency opener आया था ना head.
I don't think there was any problem with the way Australia was set up. They sacrificed Inglis. Smith came back.
Yeah, that
Khwaja at 5 is not the worst thing in the world.
Yeah, but I would have preferred
He is
him
one
as
of
an
3
opener.
guys who played like 50 deliveries in innings. I think Khwaja, Zach Crawley and Travis Head.
Yeah.
Those are the only guys who managed to play 50 balls in one innings. So that tells you everything you need to know really about the surface as well, right? So, और यही 4-prong pace attack मैं भी खिलाता. I would have also brought in Richardson, Jai Richardson and Neser. ठीक है? But I think Steve Smith made some mistakes, bro. So, I didn't watch the match उतने closely ये वाला because I had to attend weddings और बड़े गंदे time पे होता है. But luckily I did a show with Rob Barron yesterday.
Yeah.
3rd innings, Steve Smith is batting with a tail. Okay, keeps taking singles on the first ball.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's not on. If you had scored 20-30 runs more, who would have said क्या होता? ये 6 विकेटें तो गिर गई थी.
Yeah.
England only won by 4 wickets, right? Anything could have happened in theory, right? So एक तो वो गलती की Steve Smith ने that he if you are not farming strike, then at least attack.
Yeah.
ठीक है? His dismissal wasn't good versus Stung in the first inning.
Yeah.
That weird booming drive got done pretty ugly fashion के अंदर, ठीक है? और फिर यार सबसे बड़ी गलती. Michael Neser does well in his first outing. Takes 4 for 45 and Neser had been doing well. ठीक है? You can't say anything on 4 for 45. In his second outing.
Yeah, they were taking him down.
They took him down and then some. None for 54 in 8 overs. You've got someone like Scotty Boland who can bowl with the new ball.
Scotty Boland को वैसे लंबे spells नहीं दिए.
Exactly. He could have bowled long spells.
Yeah.
You could have had him on for 10 overs straight.
तो उसका statue नहीं बनाते, अब लंबे spells भी नहीं दे
अब
रहे.
तो उसके 2 स्टैचू बनने चाहिए. He's also opened the batting now.
Chaotic जो हम बात कर रहे थे ना, हमने देखा है स्कॉटी बोलैंड को ओपन करते हैं.
And then the day hawk in Bryden Cars. Not a night watchman.
First drop.
He's not Stuart Broad's successor as the night hawk. He is the first day hawk. मजा आ गया.
मजा तो आया.
Yeah. I mean, weird as fuck, but I'll take it. Like I said, we've seen a lot of stupid shit in the Ashes. But चलो वो low value wicket के तौर पे भेजा होगा. He scored 6 runs.
Valuable. वरना 172 पे भी out हो सकते थे. Bro, तुम्हें क्या पता?
कोई पता नहीं. But yeah, Cars being the day hawk was hilarious.
It was hilarious, bro.
But
पता नहीं क्या हो रहा.
Just on Scotty Boland for a bit.
Yeah. Scotty.
You were at an event after day 1. I sent you a message. I was like, Sadi, if you find any time just please watch Scotty Boland's dismissals.
The nip backers, bro.
The nip backers out of hell, man. पता नहीं किस तरह खेलना है इस boy को.
Bro.
He is a metronomic wobble seam bowling beast who can be bowled for long spells, who can bowl with the new ball.
I think underutilized किया.
Underutilized. ठीक है, he's taken 3 for 30 in the first innings. He looked like $1 million bucks. ठीक है, और his first innings. असल में तो second innings.
एक ही बात है ना यार.
After that 3 for 30, how can you just not spam Scotty Boland the next time you come out? नीसर को उड़ा के रख दिया उन लोगों ने.
बहुत मारे.
England win this test when in the 4th innings, Crockett, as I like to call them, who by the way have been integral cog of baseball. वो जब चलते हैं एज अ पेयर तब वो भी चलते हैं एज अ टीम.
एज इन रिलेटिवली देखा जाए तो इस टेस्ट मैच में चली गए.
हाँ, दैट 51 run partnership that they scored in the 4th innings, it comes in what, 7 overs? आकर मारते हैं वो. Steve Smith even said that they took the sting out of the new ball when Crawley hits the ball on the LED boards. It softens the seam. So अगर आपको ये पता चल गया है तो उतारो नीसर को, डालो स्कॉटी बोलर को, बोल यार स्कॉटी, वी डोंट नो इफ you'll play Sydney or not. ये पूरी इनिंग्स तू करा रहा है.
क्या मतलब?
Like give it everything. We're not taking you off.
He'll play in Sydney. कौन खेलेगा फिर?
My point is
Dog
that you don't take Scotty Boland off.
You don't take
even
Scotty
when he does come on, he takes 2 for 29.
He was brilliant.
In the end, Scotty Boland ends up with 5 for 59 in this test match.
No, Scotty Boland was,
after Tongue, the best bowler in the game.
I'm not too sure on that as well. अगर ओवरऑल गेम देखे ठीक है, I agree. Josh Tongue 5 विकेट्स जो उसने फर्स्ट इनिंग्स में लिए. I was really good. I still feel Scotty Boland bowled better.
Yeah, at times I did feel that way as well. क्योंकि he's underutilized.
और Josh Tongue की जहां तक बात है, I think this is the best he's ever bowled.
Yeah, Josh Tongue.
क्योंकि वो हर जगह स्प्रे नहीं कर रहा था.
So this is interesting.
Yeah.
Muki, अपना Muki.
Muki.
He says कि यार you are basing Josh Tongue off the India series, where when I saw him, his best ball was really good.
Yeah.
His best ball was great.
But sprayed down the leg side, इधर उधर wide दे रहा था.
A lot of wide deliveries. He was spraying it everywhere. He wasn't consistent.
Control नहीं था basically.
No control, zero accuracy.
But he was much better this time.
He did great. He takes 5 for 45 and 2 for 44. He's player of the match. The first English bowler to bag that player of the match award in a test match in Australia since 1998.
Who? कौन?
Pop quiz for you.
I don't know.
Achha, you don't know? The guy who did this before Josh Tongue was a seamer by the name of Dean Headley, grandson of the West Indian great George Headley.
Damn.
There you go.
ये होते हैं ना फिर nuggets.
ये फिर factoid nugget दे दिया आपको एक.
मजा तो आया.
तो Josh Tongue तो यार, in hindsight he should have played every test match.
In hindsight.
In hindsight. Sure. Awkward action. पता नहीं किस तरह बॉल आती है.
बहुत weird action.
Yeah. Well, his fast bowling action and Will Jack's spin bowling action, they're oddly similar. It's weird. ठीक है, पता नहीं body इस तरह function किस तरह करती है. It looks like an injury prone action, honestly, if you ask me. I'm not a biomechanics expert, but अजीब सी कोई चीज है Josh Tongue, ठीक है? But for the fact that he was able to land the ball in that area consistently, in that corridor of uncertainty, and he's fairly quick as well.
Yeah.
I thought he was the best bowler in the test match, but तेरी बात ठीक है.
In terms of wickets and
yes,
spells, बीच में बहुत अच्छे कराए Tongue ने, लेकिन overall I'd still pick Scotty B.
खतरनाकियत अगर देखनी है ना,
Scotty B was
unbelievable. यार वो जो Scotty B ने जेमी स्मिथ को फिर से निक बैकर बोल मार दिया. No one is playing that ball. The one that he delivers after that, the faint inside edge, no one is playing that. ठीक है?
It's too good.
चलो ब्रुक के LBW को शायद एक आधा बंदा खेल जाता.
पता नहीं, एकदम बहुत शार्प थी.
बहुत शार्प आती है
एकदम आई है.
और he is someone, वही मैंने कहा ना, metronomic wobble seam beast. He will deliver the ball in the same area over and over again. He's got the ball on a string. Why not just spam him? मैं तो 4th innings में smudger होता, I would be like Scotty, नीसर पिट गया.
नहीं
एक एंड से तू ही है.
एक एंड पूरा तू करा.
हाँ, एंड तक तू ही कराएगा. और he was still troubling them. English batters. ये गलती करी है. एक उससे सिंगल्स लिए जो फर्स्ट बॉल्स पे टेल को एक्सपोज किया and didn't attack either. And then he...
Not an ideal outing for Steve Smith.
Not an ideal outing for Steve Smith, the captain. Batter भी उतना तो नहीं कर पाया, but he goes not out.
हाँ, अच्छा खैर, एक और मेरे दिमाग में सवाल आया. इंग्लैंड ने कुछ चेंजेस की अपनी लाइनअप में, राइट? जोफ्रा एक तो इंजर्ड हो गया.
जोफ्रा तो he's out of the ashes. A lot of people are out of the ashes.
हाँ, जो कि गस एटकिंसन आया और अब वो भी
इंजर हो गया.
Out of the ashes.
Yeah. Atkinson won't feature in Sydney either.
But how important was it for England to bring in Jacob Bethel to replace Ollie Pope? बोल रहा था मैं Ollie Pope को बाहर लेके जाओ. जीत गई ना टेस्ट मैच.
Finally, Ollie Pope has been kind of chucked out of that playing 11.
Jacob Bethel was really good in the second innings.
Jacob Bethel is or has always been someone who's an elite stroke maker. उसकी शॉटें बड़ी खूबसूरत है, aesthetically very pleasing. ठीक है, the sound the ball makes off his bat, great stuff. ठीक है, the issue is that he doesn't have a first class 100.
Doesn't matter, bro. इस पिच पे जेकब बेथेल चाहिए था.
इस पिच पे चाहिए था जेकब बेथेल. शॉर्ट टर्म गेम्स के लिए ये सही फैसला था. जेकब बेथेल मेड सेंस. वैसे भी ऑप्शंस नहीं है इनके पास. आशा ट्राइब इज समवन दे कुड लुक टू इन द फ्यूचर. ठीक है, द रू ब्रदर्स एज वेल. एमिलियो गे भी है. ये कुछ नाम है यहाँ पे.
अभी उसे T20 वर्ल्ड कप खेलने तो इटली के लिए, उसके बाद देख लेना.
बाय द वे जो बर्न्स वोंट बी प्लेइंग.
हाँ,
उसके फड्डे हो गए.
उस पे बात करेंगे हम.
सैड. इवेंचुअली जब हम प्रीव्यू करेंगे T20 वर्ल्ड कप का,
और थोड़ी सी इन्फो भी चाहिए उसके ऊपर कि हुआ क्या.
इन्फो यही है कि he wanted things to be run more professionally and they were like they weren't budging, so he was like ठीक है यार.
Italians ने बोला नहीं, we don't do that shit here.
Yeah, but Joe Burns did lead them to World Cup qualification, so that's sad. Anyway,
खैर ऑस्ट्रेलिया की बात हो रही थी तो जो बर्न्स की भी होगी.
Asa Tribe by the way has done well for the Lions. इस टूर के ऊपर he's the only guy who's done well. मगर Ru brothers भी talented है. खैर, Jacob Bethel is interesting. He scores that 40 or 46 in the fourth innings. That is worth 150. Literally on this track. Chances is आम. कतरिया उसकी भी निकलती है.
150 as in 150 या 150?
नहीं 150. भाई अगर कोई बैटर 50 नहीं कर रहा तो फिर 40 तो बहुत बिग चीज हो गई.
वो एम शहजाद का मुझे वीडियो याद.
40 or 46 is even more crucial. ठीक है, Crockett take the sting out of the ball, soften the seam by hitting it on the LED boards and stuff. But then it's Bethel who was really imperative or crucial in that fourth innings. It worked. In the long run, are you doing the guy any justice?
नहीं.
ये सवाल आ जाता है. Because यार,
but you'd give him the fifth test.
Of course you do. Of course you have to play.
You never know, bro. कुछ players होते हैं, they're just made for the big stage.
He's a cool looking guy. That probably works in his favor.
How does that matter?
बेसबॉल की एक प्रोफाइल है सादी. फीके लोग नहीं पसंद उन्हें. ठीक है. सैम कुक तो खैर परफॉर्म भी नहीं उसने किया, but
no vanilla stuff नहीं चाहिए.
No vanilla stuff. You've got to have that jazz about you, you know, like वो एक आपके अंदर spunk होना चाहिए. जो कि Bethel is a cool looking dude. He's also an attractive looking cricketer. And he is young.
He is young.
He's what, 21, 22? इससे बड़ा तो नहीं है वो. So I think कि fit था. England ठीक है यार. I think they got their squad right as well.
They got their team right.
Pope had to go. Crawley पे लोग बात करते हैं, he's the top scorer for England in the series. He even does well in this test match. तो वो तो उस जितने तो runs किसी और इंग्लिशमैन ने मारे ही नहीं.
The most disappointing out of this lot, जिससे मैं disappointed हुआ, वो Duckett.
I thought he'd barring the ton, Root hasn't done anything.
Root भी नहीं. उसने
He's kept nicking it. ठीक है.
But I was seriously disappointed with Ben Duckett throughout these four.
By the way, good catching or fielding.
Really good catch. Stokes का catch perfect.
Stokes का catch, Cars का cotton ball.
Cotton ball really.
ठीक है, because Stokes का catch still best of the game. ठीक है, they got a run out as well, England. ठीक है, but if you talk about drop catches, 3 तो थे. I'll go through them. England's drop catches didn't cost them as much. There was that last over dropped catch by Bethel at fifth slip, वो जो Scotty Boland batting कर रहा था. Scotty Boland the opener. ठीक है, Scotty Boland also took a catch by the way. 5 wickets a catch and opened the batting. Build that man a statue. ठीक है, क्यों नहीं बनाया अभी तक? अब मुझे 2 स्टैचू चाहिए. एक में वो बैट पकड़ा उसने
और एक में बॉल.
हाँ, तीसरे में बना दो वो कैच पकड़ रहा. Scotty Boland सेंट्रल बना दो MCG को. ठीक है. So Bethel dropped Scotty Boland in that last over at like 5th slip. Doesn't matter. Scotty Boland. Head was dropped by Jacks at one point. ठीक है, वो इंग्लैंड को उसका कॉस्ट नहीं किया, but however
मैंने नहीं देखा ये.
Mitch Stark, who did kind of run out of steam in this test match. He took some early wickets in the first innings.
वो जो cotton ball उसने किया. He usually takes those.
Yeah, he pretty much always takes those.
लेकिन it was difficult.
And Mitch Stark has had Ben Duckett's number as well. वो खा रहा है उसको. ठीक है यार. Ben Duckett was on 8. He scores a quick fire 30 odd after that. Take an early wicket over there, anything could have happened over there. And England of old, which didn't baseball, would have cocked up. वो ये test match हार जाते, they wouldn't have chased down 170 odd over there. ठीक है. That dropped catch by Stark does ultimately cost Australia, or more often than less, the side which makes lesser mistakes in the field does win. हमेशा नहीं होता. Catches don't always win matches. But more often than not they do.
लेकिन इस तरह की पिच पे इतना भी इफेक्ट नहीं.
But मैं वैसे ही सोच रहा हूँ कि it's that partnership plus Bethel that wins England the test match in the 4th innings. And had he gotten Duckett early, anything could have happened, bro. वहीं पे अभी Bethel आता Stark के सामने, जिसने अभी विकेट ली हुई है. But Mitch Stark, look, he might have not been as impressive in this test match. Just 4 wickets for him. However,
just 4 wickets
in this calendar year, 55 wickets at 17 apiece and a strike rate of 28.
और Ashes में क्या 24 wickets?
Yes, नहीं. 26 wickets.
26 wickets.
Yeah, 26 wickets. Highest wicket taker in the Ashes thus far. I think he's Sober's award category winner. Easy.
100%.
He should win this
Ah.
Garfield Sober's award this year.
100%, 100%.
This has been Mitch Stark's best year in Test cricket, and he's 36 years of age nearly.
He-
Cracking it up to 140 clicks
He
consistently.
won them the Ashes.
Yeah.
Not only with the ball, with the bat in the field.
This is pretty much Stark's Ashes.
Yeah.
इसको तो ये तो बात माननी पड़ेगी.
पहले 3 टेस्ट मैच में he was exceptional.
He's never had a lower average in a calendar
Yeah.
year. He's never taken his wickets to 17 apiece. And I know that the West Indies tour and the Sri Lanka tour help, but यहाँ पे भी तो करके
यहाँ पे
दिखाया.
तो, yeah.
ठीक है, and then of course 55 wickets is a lot in one calendar year. So Starkey ठीक है, एक मैच तो उसने गंदा खेलना ही था.
मतलब वो भी उसके relative to Mitchell Stark, it was a bad match.
Yes. वरना तो चलो 4 wickets in the
मतलब तो
worst thing
मतलब-
in the world.
As,
Yeah.
Bryden Cars took 4 for in the second.
So it's interesting. Day Hawk की तो हमने बात कर ली.
वाह,
ठीक है, love
मजा आ
that.
गया।
Bryden Carr's figures in this test are 1 for 42 and 4 for 34. He didn't consistently bowl it short and wide this time. But tell me, how much of this is Cars and how much of this is the wicket?
I'm not sure.
वही वाली बात होगी जो तुम शुरू कर रहे थे. You don't need to be an elite pacer.
1 for 42 जो इसने first innings में लिया, he wasn't that
It
impressive.
wasn't good.
Run out अच्छा था.
हाँ.
Run out
Catch भी अच्छा था. He fielded well. Look,
So contribution थी इसकी.
I still think he's not a new ball bowler. He doesn't do that job
not
regularly.
at all.
And he doesn't capitalize on the new ball at all. So वो, I mean, he's the second highest wicket taker in the series at 19 wickets, which is flat out bizarre.
Yeah.
But I still feel that, yeah, like he wasn't the second best bowler in this test match. Tung and Boland were the best.
Were the best.
Yeah.
मैं उसमें differentiate भी नहीं कर रहा इस वक्त.
हाँ. Scotty B को मैं बुरा कह ही नहीं सकता.
हाँ.
That guy does nothing wrong.
Yeah.
ठीक है. तो और वो भी Scotty B at the G. That's a different phenomena on its own. ठीक है. वो तो उसका claim to fame ही यही था.
Yeah.
क्या 6 for 7?
Yeah.
That's what he did. So I don't know where to rate or how to rate this Car's performance because he took 5 wickets. ठीक
Hey,
है.
he was decent. Contribution तो थी ना उसकी. अच्छा कैच पकड़ा, अच्छा रन आउट किया. रन आउट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट था. कैम ग्रीन का था.
कैम ग्रीन का रन आउट बहुत important था. Against the run of play
Yeah.
आया. ठीक है.
हाँ,
और
नीसर और कैम ग्रीन मार रहे थे.
By the way-
I mean, कैम ग्रीन नहीं मार रहा था, नीसर मार रहा था.
जॉश टंग की मैं एक और बात करूंगा. He troubles ख्वाजा a lot.
Oh yeah.
ख्वाजा को खा रहा होता है वो. ठीक है. उसने इस दफा विकेट भी ले ली.
ख्वाजा रिसेंटली ना हर वक्त लग रहा होता कि ट्रबल में अनलेस यू स्प्रे में ऑन द पैड्स.
Usman Khwaja
कोई भी खेल ले.
Usman Khwaja is such an interesting cricketer. So we know he can sweep, we know he can pull,
Yeah.
we know he can cut.
Yeah.
ठीक है. However, when you are watching Usman Khwaja play, the experience, they're two distinct experiences.
मुझे कभी कंफर्टेबल नहीं लगता वो.
Either he looks, infallible, कि ये आउट ही नहीं होगा, या तो फिर लगता है कि अभी गया. ठीक है.
रिसेंटली तो मुझे नहीं लग रहा कंफर्टेबल वो किसी भी इनिंग्स में.
नहीं, वो-
हालांकि बुरा नहीं खेल रहा.
82 में लग रहा था.
I don't know,
शुरू के
bro,
बाद
वो-
when he gets dropped उसके बाद.
हाँ मतलब शुरू में भी थ्रू आउट कुछ इस तरह की होती हैं उसकी प्लेज एंड मिसेस के अभी गया
I mean, Sadi, this is old man Khwaja at 39, bro.
Yeah,
उसकी कितनी कभी ना कभी तो उसने भी मुकना है. I think Sydney's it.
he should have announced his retirement.
होम ग्राउंड पे मैच खेल रहे हो. एशेज जीती हुई है.
Perfect.
Sign off on a high.
Yeah.
And you know what? He'll be celebrated. He should be
He
celebrated.
should be
yeah.
celebrated. यार मतलब it's not an easy job to open the innings in Australia and if you're a person of color as well.
Yeah, that's true.
हाँ.
Plus, as opener, he's averaging 48 in Test cricket.
हाँ.
And for 2 years in between, he was the best opener in the world in Test cricket.
And then you're
And he scored runs everywhere. Even England, even India.
और फिर you're the senior partner डेविड वार्नर जो इतने अरसे से खेल रहा है वो भी चला गया. You had to take जो भी है. ठीक है वो वाली फॉर्म नहीं लगी हुई लेकिन he should be celebrated in Australian cricket for sure.
Look, he's ultimately averaged like what 42, 43.
सही.
That's an Azhar Ali career. That's a good career.
Great career.
Yeah,
bro.
yeah. Especially at a time where Australia didn't have many batters,
हाँ.
right? तो उस हिसाब से तो I feel like Khwaja plus the peak that he saw was
really really good.
cluster batter था ना.
हाँ.
Peaks and troughs were pronounced.
कुछ और भी clustered batters.
वो थे theoretically cluster batters थे.
Cluster आज एक
वो cluster पता नहीं आता है कि
एक
नहीं.
पीक दे दे.
एक और peak तो बनती है
एक
बॉब्स.
पीक चाहिए bro.
Bobby!
बॉबी एक पीक
Yeah.
दे दो.
खैर, anyway, कार्स की भी बात कर ली.
स्टोक्स ही रहेगा bro.
Stokes is the second best bowler after Tung in this test match.
लग भी यही रहा.
He did have the ball on a string. Did you see the weather all dismissal?
Oh beautiful.
That was a really good ball, right? 1 for 25 and 3 for 24. I feel that
and a great catch.
for quite a while now, Stokesy has been absolutely imperative to England's bowling attack.
He is their highest wicket taker in this calendar year, if
Has
I'm
to
not
be.
wrong. Let me check.
होगा.
हाँ.
और कौन ही होगा? Gus didn't play much this year. Tung didn't play much this year.
Tung probably second होगा. कोई और तो कोई नहीं है bro.
Jofra didn't play enough.
हाँ Jofra तो
Bryden Cars might be challenging.
might be.
Yeah.
मैं
Because Cars has played volume.
हाँ he has played.
उतनी performance तो नहीं आई उस तरह. Although चलो यार 4 for 34 जो उसने
हाँ, ठीक
अपनी
है।
सेकंड आउटिंग में लिया उसको तो दे सकते हैं
बट
बात।
स्टोक्स के लिए भी ये विन बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट थी।
बहुत important
ठीक है, परफॉर्मेंस तो उसकी सॉलिड थी, लेकिन कैप्टनसी प्रेशर एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, 3-0 5-0 ना हो जाए।
हाँ, because Australia always wanted to be 5-0. They've done it a fair few times. तो उसको negate करना still counts for something.
And winning a test in Australia after 19 tests 2011 के बाद
Yeah.
बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट उसके लिए थी, क्योंकि हम भी यहाँ पे ये बैठ के कह रहे थे स्टोक्स ने जाना तो नहीं था एज कैप्टन, क्योंकि कोई रिप्लेसमेंट नहीं है
कोई।
लेकिन ये जो बैज मकलम और स्टोक्स की पार्टनरशिप है ना, इस पे काफी ज्यादा सवाल उठे।
भाई रॉब की ने आकर अजीबो गरीब चीजें बोली है।
ब्रो, स्टोक्स इज इंग्लैंड्स हाईएस्ट विकेट टेकर दिस कैलेंडर ईयर। ही इज द 4th हाईएस्ट विकेट टेकर दिस कैलेंडर ईयर ओवरऑल।
Yeah, I mean, look, 1 for 25 and 3 for 24 are not better than Cars's figures of 1 for 42 and 4 for 34. But
bowled a lot,
Stokes bowled better than Cars for me in this test match, right? He has been very, very crucial to England's bowling attack. Baki, as far as the McCullum-Stokes partnership goes, अब इनको कुछ ना कुछ calls तो लेनी पड़ेंगी। I feel अगर 3-2 कर जाते तो बच जाएंगे।
हाँ, तो फिर क्रॉली का भी कमेंट था कि सडनली सीरीज अच्छी हो जाएगी हमारे लिए।
क्रॉली तो खुश होगा कि अब 3-2 हो सकता है।
Yeah.
Yeah, alrighty. Look, they make everything about the Ashes, and then अब Rob की अगर आकर ये बोल रहा है, he's making statements like, oh, shouldn't have sent the Ashes boys to New Zealand. You know what you should have done? If everything about English cricket is directly, linked to the Ashes, then maybe you should have scheduled 2 test matches in New Zealand outside the FTP.
Or
you've done that before.
Or maybe you should have just paid more attention to what is happening in Australia.
Yeah, just learn what the conditions are going to be like. What sort of bowling attack you need.
और ना रिटायर करवाते जिमी को।
ना रिटायर करवाते जिमी को।
शायद कुछ हो जाता।
हर पॉडकास्ट में हम ये बात करते हैं। अच्छा, जिमी अगर रिटायर हो भी गया था, why was he not there as bowling coach?
Tim Southee था।
Tim Southee went to the ILT20. फील्डिंग कोच है नहीं
तो रॉब की
तो क्या तैयारी है ये What sort of preparation is this?
कौन से ताली की है ब्रो?
वो तो रॉब की ठीक है।
ताला ही गलत है।
I respect Nasser and Atherton a lot for grilling him. ठीक है, वो उन्होंने सही किया, सवाल सही पूछे, tough questions, but his answers were bizarre. For him to say कि we should have not selected the Ashes guys for New Zealand. Yeah, you should have played some test cricket.
You should have prepared better.
Yeah, you should have prepared better. You should have understood the conditions in Australia better.
Over prepare नहीं करना था ना, सही prepare करना था।
Exactly. मुझे बताओ, if Jimmy was retired specifically for the Ashes, and he'd done well in the last Ashes tour, by the way, could they not have said कि Jimmy, now you will play 4 test matches a year. You're not going to play the entire Ashes series, and we want you to go and play Shield cricket. They'd love to have you over there. Grassy conditions, everyone's bowling the wobble seam delivery. Scotty Boland has made a career out of the wobble seam delivery. Jimmy Anderson was the best exponent of the wobble seam delivery. So surely you could have prepared him for the Ashes series, but नहीं, उसको तो कोच भी नहीं रखा।
कुछ भी नहीं किया।
वही कुछ सिखाता था लड़कों को।
तुम्हें लगता है वैसे जिमी एंडरसन आता कि okay, I'll coach them?
Yeah, he was coach at the start. याद नहीं है? As soon as he retires, he's with the team as bowling coach. Then they bring Tim Southee in. And Southee goes to play the ILT20. So
and no fielding coach.
अच्छा, ये तो एक बात होगी रॉब की। दूसरी बात,
ये बहुत बड़े मसले हैं।
ये बड़ा मसला है, और ये इस पे उसको अकाउंटेबिलिटी लेनी पड़ेगी। ठीक है, ये अब आकर आप क्यों बात कर रहे हो? ये तो आपको you can see this from 5 miles away.
कसम से मुझे ऐसे लग रहा है कि मैं पाकिस्तान क्रिकेट की बात कर रहा हूँ।
दूसरी बात, Rob Key goes and says कि we're going to investigate what happened in Noosa, and I'm fine if a player is having a glass of wine with their dinner, but excessive drinking is not on. Have I been following some other team?
Ben Duckett वहां पे ऊपर ढूंढ रहा है,
वो मिल नहीं रहा लोगों को। डकेट गायब हो गया। डकेट
जेकब बेथल की भी वीडियोस आई हैं।
हाँ, चलो जेकब बेथल तो जवान आदमी है।
हाँ, अकॉर्डिंग टू मेरा गुड लुकिंग आदमी है थोड़ा।
नहीं, और ऊपर से he's on his first tour to Australia, he's 21-22, he's not playing a test match thus far. चलो उसने थोड़ी अयाशी कर ली, तो वो चलो उसकी उम्र ऐसी है।
परफॉर्म भी कर दिया ना।
Duckett is 31. Duckett debuted in Test cricket like 10 years ago. ठीक है, how can you come and say कि you will now investigate the drinking culture or what went down in Noosa? You are a team that prides itself on partying and golf. Whiskey, cigars and golf clubs.
Yes sir.
ठीक है, that's what you do.
ये तो मुझे गैरेथ बेल का फ्लैग लग रहा है।
Yeah, होना चाहिए। There should be a baseball flag with whiskey, cigar and golf clubs or golf balls. ठीक है यार, पता नहीं, ये हैरानगी होती है मुझे कि how can you come up and say कि ये अच्छी चीज नहीं है, I'll investigate. We know they partied.
बस वही है, वो अपने मीडिया ट्रेनिंग इनको चाहिए, हमारे वालों को नहीं चाहिए, इनको चाहिए।
बहुत ही bizarre statements थी। I was really shell shocked. I was in a bigger state of shock than Matt Page. बेचारा जो क्यूरेटर था, जिसको quite frankly he should have left 8 to 9 millimeters of grass. वो उसकी गलती थी।
थोड़ा और कम भी कर देना।
ये नहीं हमें पता This we do not know that whether this was directions from Cricket Australia or whether he fucked up. We don't know.
खैर लॉसेस हुए हैं उन्हें, हमें भी हुए हैं कि हम देख ना सके, अच्छा
देख ना सके यार,
लेकिन केओस में भी कभी कबार मजा आ जाता है, लेकिन ये एशेज में हुए ना, इसलिए
वही तो मैं कह रहा हूं,
ज्यादा बड़ा टॉकिंग पॉइंट.
When it comes to one-dimensional tests, I'd always take rank turners and grassy tracks ahead of roads.
I take grassy rank turners ahead.
हाँ,
एक बोरिंग हो जाती है.
एक फास्ट बॉलिंग की विकेट जब गिरती है तो वो थोड़ा ज्यादा मजा आता है, बट आई एग्री दैट दिस इज detrimental towards the sport. 142 overs is far too less. When was the last time we never got a 50 in a test match, man?
I don't remember.
It must be a long time ago, Sadi.
पता नहीं,
ये शायद रिकॉर्ड ही हो कोई.
नहीं
होगा कभी ना कभी तो
कहीं ना
ठीक
कहीं
है
आया होगा.
Yeah, but either way, look,
हमने कौन सी पूरी दुनिया की हर टेस्ट क्रिकेट देख ली है भाई.
ये भी बात ठीक है. खैर काफी तो देख रही है,
काफी देख ली है, लेकिन याद
देखो वो वहां पे भी टेम्बा 50 मार गया था कोलकाता में.
एक बंदा था वो,
देख ले
Tiny
Temba,
कैप्टन ऑफ आवर टेस्ट टीम ऑफ द ईयर बाय द वे.
Tiny Temba. ठीक है भाई.
तो कुछ नहीं रह
और
गया
क्या यार, ट्रेविस हेड बैटेड ऑलराइट.
Head and
Travis Head
Crawley.
is the leading run scorer of the Ashes.
हाँ.
Or if you really think about it, barring Travis Head, which Australian batter is in form?
no.
Alex Carey
हाँ कैरी है बस. And Stark.
and Stark.
Yeah.
तो उनकी कौन सी बैटिंग चल रही
नहीं
है?
चल रही.
England failed to exploit those holes.
Yeah.
उनकी तो bowling attack ही पूरी तरीके से नहीं खेला यार.
और वो फिर भी आपको इस तरह
Cummins played one test, Nathan Lyon played two, then he got injured. Hazelwood didn't feature at all. There were a few new guys in there.
Doggett, Neeser.
Batting में Weatherall.
Jai Richardson.
Yeah, you kept feeding Weatherall on the cut for the longest
Yeah.
time. तो इंग्लैंड ने काफी गलतियां की हैं.
Head opening, Khwaja getting ruled out from a test match.
हाँ, Khwaja not opening at all in this
Yeah.
Ashes series, right? So, Steve Smith didn't play the previous game. Steve Smith.
Yeah.
So Australia were the team that had to firefight and problem solve, and England should have done better. They made some stupid decisions. It was dumb cricket throughout.
It was dumb cricket.
Even this one, वो चल गया उनका.
क्योंकि वो better equipped थे इस pitch को handle करने में.
Exactly.
Approach बेहतर थी.
Approach बेहतर थी उनका अपना. They're a team that thrives in chaos, so they were able to seize the moment. But then again, man, like they should have at least been 2-2 by now.
पहला मैच
जीत ज्यादा जीता या फिर कैचेस पकड़ लेते उसके बाद. वो भी तो गलतियां की.
एशेज में कैचेस पकड़ लिया.
यहाँ पे क्या कहा था मैंने, एशेज टू एशेज तो हो गई है, एसेस टू एसेस हो गई. एसेस टू एशेज. सही है. एंड इट्स डिसअपॉइंटिंग फॉर ऑल दोस पीपल हु ट्रैवल्ड. Yeah, although they've got to win now.
हाँ.
Jeffrey Boycott ने कह दिया कि Boxing Day test तो the one that Australia wanted to win, England have won. Boycott की भी अपनी चल रही है.
चलो ठीक है, वो छोटी-छोटी खुशियां ले लो अपनी. 3-2 अगर कर दें तो शायद इतना बुरा रिजल्ट ना हो इंग्लैंड के लिए.
3-0 हो जाता है ना,
फायदा कोई नहीं होता.
हाँ, although Australia won't be too happy कि उनका 5-0 चला गया.
और ऊपर से वर्ल्ड टेस्ट चैंपियनशिप पॉइंट्स लूज किए उन्होंने. ये भी बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट है. फर्स्ट लॉस इन दिस WTC cycle for them.
Cummins wasn't too pushed about that, man. It was weird. Did you watch the press?
I watched it. I think
he was like, now that the series is won, I'll probably not feature again.
I think वो जरा इंग्लैंड पे और प्रेशर डालने के लिए.
By the way, Pat Cummins' injury is a bit serious.
Yeah.
ठीक है.
हाँ.
Yeah, he might not be able to play the T20 World Cup.
Josh Hazelwood भी अभी जरा.
Hazelwood की तो मुझे कोई खबर ही नहीं है. I think they messed up his rehab, man.
पता नहीं.
जो या तो rehab mess up हुआ या तो पता है they did not diagnose the injury properly.
Maybe.
Because initially it was like, oh yeah, it's not too bad, and now he hasn't featured at all. और Hazelwood की injuries काफी frequent हो रही हैं. तो वो एक अलग मसला. Nathan Lyon is gone.
Yeah.
Let's see if Australia play Todd Murphy or not in Sydney.
Maybe. देखेंगे.
England की भी bowling attack तो आधा हो गया. Atkinson gone, Jofra gone.
Potts है इनके पास पड़ा हुआ पीछे.
New ball bowler कौन है भाई?
Carson
तो मैं कह रहा हूँ, Carson तो पहले ही नहीं था.
Carson Potts and Stokes.
Potts and Stokes is weird, bro.
और है ही नहीं कोई bro.
यार ये तो मसले हैं. Josh Tongue can't bowl with a new ball. He's good first change.
Josh Tongue जो कर रहा है वो ठीक है, उसको वहीं पे रहने दो. I think Potts या Carson ही करेंगे.
ये है.
Stokesy
ले फिर I guess. पता नहीं है. There's no correct answer over here.
ये बात होता है कि बैश को नहीं मिलेगी गेम.
हाँ, बैश को तो नहीं मिलनी गेम. ठीक है. बैश बेचारा तस्वीरें खींचने के लिए गया है वो पिच की. ठीक है. वो विल जैक्स विल रिमेन द फ्रंट लाइन स्पिनर. और वैसे इस पिच पे तो जरूर बैश की जगह भी नहीं बनती थी. पिछली वाली एडलेड में बैश खेल सकता था. ठीक है. ऑल्दो बैश कौन सा कोई बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग प्लेयर है, बट इफ यू हैड पिक्ड अ प्लेयर स्पेसिफिकली फॉर द एशेस बिकॉज़ ऑफ द हाई रिलीज पॉइंट, you play him on bouncy tracks.
स्पेशलिस्ट तो है ना, उसका वो रोल तो है ना.
खैर अब क्या करेगी इंग्लैंड? आई फील लाइक because they've lost Atkinson, they have a new ball bowler problem. Potts will come in. He has to
come in.
Yeah, और कोई नहीं, बाकी Bethel को retain करेंगे और कोई changes
बाकी कोई change होनी भी नहीं चाहिए. ऑस्ट्रेलिया की
Jai will get another game.
He should.
Yeah.
Depends on कि टॉड मर्फी आता है. अगर टॉड मर्फी आता है तो वो किसकी जगह आता है?
Neser की जगह आएगा, I think.
Neser can bad a bit.
Thing is, when they Baz balled, Neser got smashed.
He did.
But he's taken a fifer and then 4 for 45 in the first innings, or his first bowling innings in this test match. So interesting है.
लेकिन पता है, I think England को थोड़ा सा weak point मिल गया होगा कि we can attack Neser. अब this could go either way. Either England can capitalize on Neser once again, or Neser could prove to be detrimental to England's chances.
Yeah.
It's a tricky one.
Interesting चीज तो ये है ना कि England were like, or Rob Key's on record saying somewhere that bowlers who nip it around at 75 miles per hour are no good, and Michael Neser does well. So I mean, खैर अगर तुम सोचो, who are the English seam bowlers in line? Sonny Baker.
पता नहीं bro.
Sonny Baker तो पिट गया था एक दफा जो खेला था. ठीक है, उसके बाद there's this guy Matthew Fisher that I don't know much about. वो एक है.
कोई भी नहीं
है ही नहीं कोई यार. Potts
है.
Don't say Toby Roland Jones now.
नहीं Potts.
Where the hell is Ollie Robinson with his nude nuts?
Ollie Stone
नहीं भाई, मैंने उस दिन वो ILT20 में Ollie Stone को देखा था. कोई सीन नहीं Ollie Stone का. नहीं है.
Ollie Robinson तो खत्म हो गया.
बैटिंग में तो फिर थोड़ी बहुत पाइपलाइन है. जो लड़के गिनवाए थे हमने, Root Brothers, Asa Tribe and Emilio Gay. Emilio Gay कि Emiliano Gay है?
देख लेते हैं bro.
जरूरी चीज है देखने वाली. खैर, we're really looking forward to watch him play for Italy. But और वेस्ट इंडीज के लिए भी प्रॉब्ली क्वालिफाई करता होगा वो.
हाँ, Emilio Gay आई थिंक.
Emilio Gay मुझे लग रहा है. बट बैटिंग में तो फिर थोड़े स्टॉक्स हैं. बॉलिंग में तो बिल्कुल सीन फक्ड है भाई. एंड दे आर द वंस हु रिटायर्ड जिमी, व्हिच इज इवन मोर फ्लैबरगास्टिंग. बट जोफ्रा कितना ही खेल लेगा टेस्ट क्रिकेट?
बस ना, यही तो मसला है ना जोफ्रा का. नहीं, 5 टेस्ट मैचेस के लिए नहीं बॉडी होल्ड अप करती. मार्क वुड इज आई थिंक डन.
वी ऑलरेडी न्यू दैट. वी डिड had this conversation in the preview कि ये बचने थोड़ी है.
हाँ, ये दोनों तो नहीं खेल सकते.
अब they have an issue.
वुड तो एक खेल है.
Sydney
and then he wanted to drive to Adelaide. I don't know what he's doing.
Tongue and Stokes to do the damage in Sydney, right? Essentially, because Cars से भी वो जितनी उम्मीद नहीं. I know he's the second highest wicket taker, but Cars has bowled some absolute filth. Bryden Cars has delivered some really RC bowling.
But then again, मतलब effective तो था.
Effective था. देखो वो बैटिंग कर सकता है.
और कोई है भी नहीं ब्रो.
नहीं,
वो तो खेलेगा ही खेलेगा.
यार हाँ, पता नहीं. I feel like it might be detrimental to English cricket if they do 3-2 over here. ये कुछ calls तो यहाँ make करनी है.
पता है मुझे एक दुख है, बो वेबस्टर को गेम नहीं मिली.
हाँ यार, अब दे दो.
नहीं वो उसको रिलीज कर दिया. BBL खेल रहा है वो. इंग्लिश एंड बो वेबस्टर.
यार बो वेबस्टर could have operated as a spinner as well if need be.
बो को खिलाते हैं
बेचारे. बो का थोड़ी ज्यादती हो गई है. We were both quite convinced that they'll stick with him.
Miss my Bo bro.
Yeah. Cam Green by the way has had a shit series as well.
Very
yeah. Cam Green has done nothing.
Yeah.
Absolutely nothing. वही तो मैं कह रहा हूँ, ऑस्ट्रेलिया में हेड निकाल दो, कैरी निकाल दो. किया क्या किसने?
स्टार्क भी निकाल.
स्टीव स्मिथ had a good test, but one good test. वो तो जो रूट also had one good test, but जो रूट has also flopped hard. Yeah, वो भी कतरियों पे कतरियां.
ऐसा ही है.
Yeah, तो let's see. I hope that it's an entertaining test match in Sydney. It lasts more than 2 days. Good kit pitch को unsatisfactory rating मिली है.
And that's about it.
We'll wait for the next time more than 15 wickets fall on a day's play, ताकि वही वाली फिर गुफ्तगू फिर से आ जाए कि if it happened somewhere else.
जानी ऑफ द प्रो स्पोर्ट्स पॉडकास्ट बन जाओ. 2-3 तरीके हैं. सबसे पहला पेट्रियन, जिसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में. इजी पैसे 031936025545 इज द नंबर. 1500 पर मंथ पे आपको मंथ की सब्सक्रिप्शन मिलेगी. उसके अलावा बैंक अकाउंट डिटेल्स चाहिए तो मुझे या प्रो स्पोर्ट्स को DM कर दो इंस्टाग्राम या ट्विटर पे, और वहां से मिल जाएंगी. उसके अलावा पोस्टर्स ले लो यार.
प्लीज ये पोस्टर्स वगैरह हमारे. ये देखो, इमरान खान, नोमी पाइन, खूबसूरत कलर्स ऑफ पॉपिंग एंड देन पेस यार. पाकिस्तान फास्ट बॉलिंग क्रिकेट हेरिटेज. लाइक द वीडियो, सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल. बेराम, मुझे, जैद, नोमी, हर एक को हर जगह फॉलो करो. उसके अलावा Spotify, Amazon Music, Apple Podcast, iHeartRadio, Pandora और जहाँ हैं हम वहाँ पे जाके हमें सुन सकते हैं आप लोग, अगर आपको हमारी बूतियाँ नहीं पसंद तो. उसके अलावा अब हम मिलेंगे इनसे. PSL का हमने करना है इस वीक. वो आएगा आप लोगों के पास. इस वीक PSL आएगा, वैसा को पिछले वाले पॉडकास्ट से बताया था. और उसके बाद we're going to do a Pakistan squad podcast and then Ashes का आखिरी टेस्ट तो आएगा ही आएगा आपके पास. और फिर करते रहेंगे. आगे काफी बिजी पीरियड है, so you guys will be your appetite will be full. फिक्र ना करें, by the end of the T20 World Cup we're going to create lots and lots of content. Allah Hafiz. Boy Gaza.